The Zambia Medicines and Medical Supplies Agency ZAMSA is pleased to announce to the nation that we have received the first consignment of renal consumables in the country. These life-saving consumables are critical in the treatment and management of patients on dialysis treatment or brothers and sisters with kidney-related conditions. The consignment that we've received includes dialyzers, bibags, erythropoietin for injection, among other key renal consumables. I must also mention that this consignment we've received is part of a bulk shipment that the government through ZAMSA procured to ensure sustainability and consistent availability of renal consumables in the country, and are also meant to ensure that there is no disruption in terms of service delivery for kidney patients in Zambia. Following the arrival of this consignment, ZAMSA has since commenced the immediate distribution of the renal consumables to all renal treatment centers countrywide to ensure that there is continuity in the delivery or access to dialysis services, and also to ensure that there is no disruption in patients having access to dialysis treatment. ZAMSA would like to take this opportunity to reassure renal patients and indeed the public that we remain fully committed to ensuring that there is consistency as well as stable availability, distribution and delivery of essential health commodities to all public health facilities, and that people have easy and equitable access to quality healthcare services.